Totally new method for great amounts of money, guys. It is so simple that it hurts, and trust me, you will make a lot of money with this one because it is proven to work. Just make sure to watch how exactly this works so you don't lose your time, guys. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video, and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. So the first thing that we gotta do, guys, is we have to visit this website, which is entitled enrollapp.com. So make sure you spell that one correctly. This is enrollapp.com. And here you can just play these different questions in a way that suits you. So you will answer different questions by clicking on yes or no buttons, and you will get paid. And as you can see here, you will earn rewards via PayPal, and that's what we want, guys. PayPal money is fast and it's good. Also, you can do this with your phone, with your tablet, with your desktop computer, with your laptop. It doesn't matter. These guys support everything. And as you can see here, there are already 600,000 tests taken as well, and they are counting. So all we have to do now, guys, is click on this register button over here and then just sign up with your email address. Make sure that you enter a valid email address because as you can see, they will send you this confirmation link and you have to click on this green button, confirm my account. Now, once you confirm your email, just enter your first name and your last name in these boxes, complete this CAPTCHA and click on continue button. Now you will see this progress bar over here, and by just entering your name, you're already at 13%. Click on this button, let's do this. And now they're gonna ask you for your PayPal account email so they know where to send that money. So you can just enter your PayPal email address, but if you don't have one, simply go to paypal.com and click on this blue button over here, which is entitled sign up. Now over here, you will just select a country where you live in. So as you can see, it works in every country out there. So it doesn't matter where you come from, you are still able to come here and use this website in order to get yourself some money. So simply select your country and then click on the continue button over here. Now, this one is really important, guys. What's your availability? So as you can see, the more available you are, the more tests you can receive. And that's good, guys, because the more tests you do, the more money you will earn. And as you can see, they ask you, do you want us to always send you tests as soon as they are available? Be sure to click on yes over here because the more tests you do, guys, the more money you will make. This is so easy. Just follow me along and you will see how easy and how profitable this actually is. Click on continue button once you do that. Now, what gender do you identify with? Click on male, female, whatever you are. What is your birth date? Select your month, your day, and year. Click on continue. Now here, guys, they will ask you how would you describe your computer proficiency. So you can select beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So I suggest that you be honest with them. Click on either option. Now, how many hours per day do you spend on the internet? So here, guys, I suggest that you put as much as you can because that way they will selectively choose you for more tests. And I suggest that you put 6 or more hours so they know they can send you as many tests as you can take. Now, what devices can you test on? This is also very important, guys. They need everyone available out there. So click on mobile, click on tablet as well, and click on desktop as well, because that way you're gonna get much more chances. You're gonna get a lot of opportunities, and it doesn't matter on which device you use them. It's important for their algorithm, so they will send you more of these opportunities. And now click on finish registration button. And now, guys, here it is. You are now eligible to answer these questions. These polls, as you can see, I have 0 answered right now. And this cow over here tells me that my mission progress is 0%. So now, the first answer is, have you ever heckled a comedian? I will answer no. And now you can see how did you stack up. This is all of the people who answered these questions. 28% of them said yes, and 71% said no. Now, you don't need to worry about that at all. Click on continue button so you can go on a next question. As you can see now, polls answered 1. I earned some points. Now, are you a recruiter? So I'm gonna say no, and then how did you stack up again? Click on continue, we go further. Now, how often have you thought about starting your own business? Frequently. Submit answer. Click on continue. And as you can see, guys, this is how easy this is. This is like so easy that even some babies can come onto computer and do this task. And the more of these that you answer, the more points you're gonna get. The more tests you do, the more money you get. And as you can see, these are very, very easy questions. They are not some hard work. You are just gonna answer honestly about your daily life, about these questions that they ask. So, for example, are you an online shopper? We all are. So, how did you stack up? We don't care about that. Hardware wallet, I don't own a hardware wallet at all because all my bitcoins are in a atomic wallet. So do you have a close member in the United States military? No, I guess not. And as you can see, guys, the more I answer, the more points I get, guys. And now here, when you click on towards your next mission, guys, this is where you can see your mission progress. So as you can see, this is Welcome to Mission 1 Earth. This is the beginning of your adventure through Enroll. Take tests, answer Enroll polls, and be an active Enroll user to earn badges and advance to the next mission, launching you into space. So here down here, guys, you can see that they've got these achievements over here, and you will get these badges as you answer those polls and complete these tasks. As you can see here, I already got 2 points over here. It shows me over here as well. So guys, you just have to go and answer all of those questions over there. You have to do it constantly. As they say, be an active Enroll user. So the more active you are, the more money you're gonna get. So you can simply go back on your dashboard and now you will just answer these simple questions. You don't care about the answers in the end. They're just gonna ask these on, and they are very simple. So do you purchase souvenirs while you're on vacation? Click yes. You don't care about how did you stack up, and this is gonna make you money, guys. The more of these you do, the more money you're gonna earn. It's simple as that. Do you consider yourself active? Now, this is for those guys who don't watch these videos completely and with the utmost attention. They will say no, but I will say yes because I take action all the time, guys, and you have to do it as well. And I don't know why they ask me this question. I put that I'm a male over there, so I think I didn't purchase a bra online yet, so I will answer no on this. Some very weird questions can get on here, but you don't care about that, guys. All you need is to make money. And now, once you get a question like this, just click on whatever you like, guys. There is no wrong answer, so you can feel relaxed about that. And you can see this cow is gonna go all the way here to space, and you will get more money as you do it. And when you reach $1, you will get paid, guys. This is the threshold, $1 only, so you don't have to worry about waiting for that. Here you can get and click on your test preferences, and down here, click on send me tests as soon as possible. Because remember, guys, the more of these you do, the more points you get, the more points, the more money you get. Also down here, you can validate your phone number to enable SMS notifications so you can get these tests as soon as possible. Click on save changes, and that's it, guys. So I really hope that you learn something and that you come here and enjoy these questions and earn yourself some money. I'll catch you guys later.